Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel guys. So it's a long time since I made a video but today I'm back and I hope कि आपने दिवाली बहुत अच्छे से बनाई होगी यार, मजे किए होंगे और now you're ready to again get going with your studies for RBI Grade B 2024 एग्जाम. टाइम ज्यादा नहीं बचा है अभी, ठीक है. दिसंबर के बाद तो टाइम विल फ्लाई लाइक दिस, सो वी हैव टू बी रियली ऑन आवर टोज. वी हैव टू पुल अप आवर सॉक्स कि हम बिल्कुल तैयारी कर रखें. तो आज के वीडियो में आई वुड बी डिस्कसिंग बेसिकली self study or coaching. The idea is not about which one is better, right? Everyone has their own strategy, own preference, so it's not about that. Both are good strategies, but क्या factors हैं which we should be considering while we are deciding whether we should go for self study or coaching. वैसे दोनों are kind of, I would say, intermingled. They cannot be separated in my opinion, but let's talk about that in detail. सबसे पहले तो see, I would like to clear some myths. Now many people generally, मुझे नहीं पता कहां से फीलिंग आती है, उनको लगता है कि कोचिंग तो बहुत ही जरूरी है टू क्रैक आरबीआई ग्रेड बी. दैट्स अ मिथ. In fact, the person who topped in 2022 exam RBI grade B, he had not taken any coaching. So don't fall under such traps or such kind of psychology where you start believing that this is must, this is something that I have to do if I have to clear the exam. तो वो एक ट्रैप है जिसमें अगर आप फंस जाए उससे बाहर नहीं निकल सकते. तो कोचिंग ऐसा नहीं है कि बहुत जरूरी है, कोचिंग के बिना भी लोग क्लियर किए हैं. एंड द सेकेंड मिथ विच इज काइंड ऑफ कॉन्ट्राडिक्टरी टू दिस इज नाउ देन मेनी पीपल ऑल्सो, इन स्पाइट ऑफ हैविंग एनी क्लैरिटी के एग्जाम में आता क्या है, एग्जाम में कैसे क्वेश्चंस पूछे जाते हैं, they start believing that self study is the key और self study से आराम से हो जाएगा. Again, I'm not saying कि self study is not going to make it happen for you, but there has to be proper analysis. What is your background? आपके पास कितना टाइम है, आप पहले पेपर दे चुके हैं या पहली बार दे रहे हैं. So there are a lot of factors that you need to consider. No, then you need to assess yourself or the conditions to start believing whether self study is possible or not. Do not again follow it blindly. अब ऐसा भी नहीं सोचना कि यार वो टॉपर सेल्फ स्टडी से निकला है तो मैं सेल्फ स्टडी से ही एग्जाम क्लियर करूंगा. आप कर सकते हैं, बट यू नीड टू असेस योर कंडीशंस, यू नीड टू असेस द फैक्टर्स. तो दोनों ही एक तरह के मिथ हैं. दोनों को मैं ये नहीं कह रहा कि अच्छे नहीं है या बुरे नहीं है, दोनों से द एग्जाम कैन बी क्लियर्ड. पीपल हैव क्लियर्ड द एग्जाम एंड पीपल विल क्लियर द एग्जाम इन फ्यूचर. बट देन नाउ व्हाट आर द फैक्टर्स दैट शुड गिव यू मोर क्लैरिटी वेदर कोचिंग इज गुड फॉर यू और सेल्फ स्टडी इज गुड फॉर यू. तो उसके बारे में हम बात करेंगे. सबसे पहला फैक्टर विच आई इन माय ओपिनियन वांट यू टू कंसीडर इज योर बैकग्राउंड. बैकग्राउंड इन व्हाट टर्म्स? बैकग्राउंड इन टर्म्स योर एक्सपीरियंस इन गिविंग कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम्स एंड योर बैकग्राउंड इन टर्म्स ऑफ योर एजुकेशनल क्वालिफिकेशन. तो अगर आपका एजुकेशनल बैकग्राउंड इज somewhat related to economics or finance, I think it would be more easy for you, right, to pursue self study than for somebody who is not from this background. दिक्कत आएगी. And similarly, in case of experience of competitive exam, I want to specially highlight the quant and reasoning part in phase 1. If you have some amount of experience in tackling quant and reasoning in say IBPS PO, SBI PO exams, which are also having a good level of quant, then here you would be able to pursue quant and reasoning with self-study. Otherwise, you might require some assistance. So background is the first factor that you should consider, because जितना ज़्यादा किसी को experience होगा, either through college studies or through exam preparation, the more it is going to help you, or more it is going to be easy for you to do self preparation or self study. The second one is time. Now that's a very crucial factor. I truly believe that self study is the best mode of study. In fact, even when you do coaching, what you do self study, right? I mean, they might show you some direction, they might give you some good content, but at the end of the day, it is you who have to do self study. तो टाइम इसमें एक बहुत बड़ा फैक्टर आता है अगर आप प्योरली सेल्फ स्टडी कर रहे हैं, बिकॉज देयर यू वुड हैव टू रिसर्च अलॉट, यू वुड हैव टू मेक योर ओन नोट्स, यू माइट हैव टू मेक योर ओन एमसीक्यूज. सो टाइम देयर प्लेज अ वेरी वेरी बिग रोल अगर आप प्योरली सेल्फ स्टडी कर रहे हैं. तो अगर मेरे हिसाब से अगर आपके पास 6 महीने से ज्यादा है, that's a good amount of time for you to pursue your self preparation strategy. Do all your research, make all your notes. But अगर ये 6 महीने से कम है and you're starting from scratch without having much educational background or experience of this exam, then it might be a challenging thing for you. The third one is any successful attempts in the past. Now this is for those people, again, it makes me feel very sad to see few people who have already given 2 attempts and they have not been so successful. And in the third attempt also they are not ready to change their strategy to adapt to the needs of the examination. And when I say unsuccessful attempts in the past here, I do not mean by saying unsuccessful that you have not got selected, therefore you are unsuccessful. आपका नहीं हुआ है वो तो पता ही है, इसीलिए आप तैयारी कर रहे हैं. बट हेयर व्हेन आई से अनसक्सेसफुल अटेम्प्ट, मैं यहां पे ये कहने की कोशिश कर रहा हूं कि आप सिलेक्शन के आसपास भी नहीं है. कट ऑफ गया है 55 एंड व्हाट यू आर गेटिंग इन फेज 1 इज 23, 25, 30. यू आर नोवेयर नियर द सिलेक्शन. दैट्स अ ट्रूली अनसक्सेसफुल अटेम्प्ट इन माय ओपिनियन. तो अगर आप ऐसी कैटेगरी में हैं कि आपने सेल्फ प्रिपरेशन की लेकिन 2-3 अटेम्प्ट्स में आप कहीं आसपास भी नहीं जा पा रहे हैं, you need to reassess. अब उसमें 2 ही चीजें हो सकती हैं. Either you need a more directed preparation through the help of some paid coaching, or you should just shift your focus on something else, right? Which suits your caliber or which suits your strength. तो यहां पे आप इस फैक्टर को भी कंसीडर कीजिए. And then age is also one of the factors again which is related to time here. Now very few people are there who would clear in the first attempt. उनके लिए age is not a constraint, but normally 2 attempt लग जाते हैं, ठीक है. So अगर आपकी age already 29 है, I mean you don't have time to experiment to see whether self preparation works for you or coaching works for you. So again in that case, since you don't have time at your side, it's better that you reassess कि आप कितना सेल्फ प्रिपेयर कर सकते हैं, कहां पे आपको हेल्प चाहिए, एंड देन यू प्लान योर प्रिपरेशन अकॉर्डिंगली. जस्ट डू नॉट फॉलो एनीथिंग ब्लाइंडली. अच्छे से एनालाइज करके ही अपनी स्ट्रैटेजी बनाइए, बिकॉज 30 के बाद यू विल नॉट बी एलिजिबल इफ यू आर फ्रॉम अनरिजर्व कैटेगरी. सो जो भी करना है आपको इन्हीं 1-2 अटेम्प्ट्स में करना है. इसीलिए उस केस में आपके स्ट्रैटेजी, आपकी प्रिपरेशन की जो टेक्निक है, जो मटेरियल है, वो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट हो जाता है. Next is need to learn the application of concepts. So if you are the one who understands everything by simple plain reading and you are able to solve the questions, that's good. आप आसानी से self preparation कर सकते हैं. But if you are the one जिनको पढ़कर लगता है that I need to do more practice, I need to learn the art of application, then maybe you need to solve a lot of mock tests, you need to solve a lot of questions जहां पे कहीं ना कहीं एक कोचिंग आपको हेल्प कर सकती है. सो इस फैक्टर को भी आप कंसीडर कीजिए. दैट अगेन डिपेंड्स अपॉन योर लर्निंग स्टाइल और योर एप्टीट्यूड फॉर लर्निंग स्किल्स just by reading or by application of those concepts by doing a lot of MCQs. Next one is descriptive writing. This is very, very important. So if you are really good in descriptive writing, I would say you are the perfect candidate who can do self preparation, because ultimately in phase 2, 300 में से 200 mark is descriptive writing. So if you can handle that, you are in a pretty safe place. बट अगर डिस्क्रिप्टिव राइटिंग में आपका हाथ तंग है एंड यू नीड अ लॉट ऑफ असिस्टेंस, स्पेशली विद रिस्पेक्ट टू द इवैल्यूएशन पार्ट, यू कैन नॉट टेक इट फॉर ग्रांटेड. छोटी छोटी गलतियां होती हैं विच वी आर नॉट अवेयर टिल द टाइम समबडी पॉइंट्स इट आउट. तो यहां पे अगेन डिस्क्रिप्टिव राइटिंग में असिस्टेंस लेना बहुत जरूरी है. इफ नॉट इन टर्म्स ऑफ कोचिंग, एटलीस्ट थ्रू सम पीपल who have already given RBI grade B or who have prepared for UPSC, उनसे आप सीखिए, डिस्क्रिप्टिव राइटिंग में हेल्प लीजिए. Because this is not something where you should feel casual. यहाँ पे बिल्कुल भी अपनी सेल्फ प्रिपरेशन स्ट्रैटेजी पर रिलाय मत कीजिए. अगेन कोचिंग भी मत लीजिए शायद, बिकॉज डिस्क्रिप्टिव इवैल्यूएशन कैन बी इम्प्रूव बाय टेकिंग लॉट ऑफ हेल्प फ्रॉम आउटसाइड फॉर फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट ऑल्सो. लेकिन इस पे आप जरूर काम कीजिए अगर डिस्क्रिप्टिव राइटिंग में you are not that good. This can be the key in your selection. Next is personality. Now, why I'm talking about personality here? Because I truly believe that your personality plays a very important role in your interview. An interview is worth 75 marks, and that is one stage, I would say, where people are even getting 5 marks and 70 marks. So, बहुत एक बड़ा difference है जो हमें close करना है. We have to perform better there. So I think if you feel that you are not that one who is extrovert, who is very pleasing in personality, who is kind of easily, uh, who can easily adapt to the atmosphere and win over people's heart. So you need to develop that quality over a period of time, over next 1 year. So यहाँ पे आपको अपनी personality को develop करने के लिए you would need some assistance, you would need some help, you would need some guidance. तो उसको भी आप consider कीजिएगा while you are deciding for self preparation or coaching. Now again here, coaching doesn't mean it has to be paid in for your personality development. It can be through some free means also, by a lot of videos on YouTube, or a lot of people who have already got good experience in handling the interviews in UPSC or other competitive exams. The next one is locus of control. This is very, very important. By locus of control, I mean, how do you feel? What drives you? Now there are two types of people. One are having internal locus of control, those who are self-driven. They will make their own timetable, they will make their own schedule, they will be kind of self-driven, that they will be able to complete their syllabus. For them, it is very easy to self-prepare and move forward. Whereas there are other people who are kind of dependent on external locus of control. By external locus of control, they want an external push कि हमें कोई टाइम टेबल दे दे, डेली आके हमारी कोई क्लास ले ले, डेली आके हमें कोई थोड़ा सा पुश कर दे, हमारे डाउट्स रिजॉल्व कर दे. सो इफ यू आर द वन हु बिलीव्स इन एक्सटर्नल लोकस ऑफ कंट्रोल, then again you need some assistance, you need some coaching, maybe paid or non-paid, but you need somebody to constantly push you, guide you, monitor you, to help you move forward and clear the exam. And mocks, ठीक है, तो ये तो एक ऐसी चीज है जो आपको चाहिए ही चाहिए होगी. नाउ आई डोंट बिलीव इज देयर इज एनीबॉडी हु विल से दैट आई डोंट नीड एनी मॉक. तो भले ही आप सेल्फ प्रिपरेशन कर रहे हैं या किसी से फ्री में असिस्टेंस लेके पढ़ रहे हैं, बट मॉक्स के लिए आई वुड जस्ट रिक्वेस्ट यू कि आप प्लीज 10-12 मॉक्स कहीं से जरूर लें इन योर प्रिपरेशन फॉर phase 1 and phase 2 sectional and FLTs. That will actually help you gauge that where do you stand in the competition, and that will also help you to monitor yourself or your performance in a timed environment. And the last one is self belief. ठीक है, ऊपर जितने भी factors I have discussed with you, considered here, they all become irrelevant if your self belief is really high. Self belief is one thing which can take you ahead of others by leaps and bounds. It can help you improve your performance by 10x. That self belief has to be there. अगर self belief होगा ना, तो ये locus of control भी, that will become internal locus of control. You will start believing that you can do this. तो वो self belief आपको inculcate करना पड़ेगा, and that self belief actually comes from your past experience. अगर past में आपने चीजों को फोड़ा है, कुछ achievements की हैं, कुछ progress की है with your own effort, with your self-made thing, then that will give you a lot of self-belief that you can do all these preparation for competitive exam like RBI Grade B by yourself. तो वो past experience आपका कैसा है उस पर depend करेगा. And apart from that, even if that past experience is not that good, that self-belief can be inculcated by putting in a lot of effort, by doing a lot of analysis. If you analyze the previous year papers and syllabus properly, by devoting hours and hours on that, that will give you a lot of self-belief that you are able to understand the needs of the exam and you can kill this exam. तो वो self-belief झूठा नहीं होना चाहिए. Either it has to come from past, or you have to inculcate it in the present by really working hard towards understanding the needs of the exam and then actually executing it. तो ये कुछ factors हैं, ठीक है, which you should consider while opting either for self-study or for coaching. Baki, in my view, both goes hand in hand. Even in coaching, you have to do self-study, and even in self-study, at some point in time, as I told you, either in descriptive writing, interview preparation, sectional mocks or full length mocks, you will require assistance. So both go hand in hand. ठीक है, एक के ऊपर ही मत पूरा डिपेंडेंट रहें आप, दोनों को देखिए कैसे आप साथ में लेके चल सकते हैं. दैट विल गिव यू अ गुड प्रिपरेशन स्ट्रैटेजी फॉर द अपकमिंग मंथ्स. बाकी ये आरबीआई गाइड है. This is a complete comprehensive guide which tells you everything about RBI and RBI Grade B exam. Especially 3 things. You will get the access to the previous year papers. You will get access to full book list. ठीक है, जो भी बुक लिस्ट हैं, वेबसाइट्स हैं, रिसोर्सेज हैं, सारा कुछ आपको इस गाइड बुक में मिलेगा. एंड दिस कैन बी डाउनलोडेड फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट by going to the description of this video. There is a link in the description. You click on that and you download this. And these are our courses in case you are planning to enroll into some of our courses. Then these are the options you have: Gold Pack and Silver Pack. Gold Pack is comprehensive course, one-stop solution for phase 1, phase 2 and interview. Out of this course, you don't need to read anything. No newspaper, no website. Silver Pack is mainly for phase 2, but it will also give you current affairs for phase 1 along with interview preparation. And in case you want to check some sample material, in the description of this video, there is a link to download sample material for free. Click on that link, check out the sample material, see the quality by yourself, and if you feel so, you can always get associated with us and become part of that EduTap community where a lot of people are vying for those limited seats in RBI Grade B, though in a healthy manner. So take your leave now. Have a nice day, guys. Love you all. Jai Hind.